Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to resolve WhatsApp waiting for this message on iPhone. So let's start. So first let's go to our WhatsApp account, and you have to back up your information before you do it because we have probably to install the app. So you have to check it, and then let's go to the three dots and let's go to settings, and then let's go to chats, and then scroll down and let's go to chat backup, and here just backup your information. Okay, when you do it, let's back, and well, the first thing that we have to do is go to settings and check your Wi-Fi and it's working correctly. If your connection is working correctly, well, let's go back, and then let's press your WhatsApp icon and then just click on uninstall. Okay, also you can do it is go to app info and also clear all data from your WhatsApp account, and when you do it, try to log in once again. So that's is how you can fix it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.